Your home is one of your greatest investments, but did you know staying on top of these 5 key maintenance tasks will keep your family safe, save you money, and also make it easier for you to sell your home when the time comes? First up, your HVAC system. Regularly servicing your heating and cooling system ensures that they're running efficiently, it extends their lifespan, and it ensures that your home is comfortable year-round. Plus, when buyers see that your system has been serviced well, it gives them confidence that your entire home is in good condition. Your roof and gutters are your home's first line of defense against the elements. Checking for missing shingles, leaks, or clogged gutters ensures that your home doesn't suffer from tremendous water damage, and it also shows buyers that you've taken care of all of the essentials. Safety first. Regularly check your smoke detectors, your carbon monoxide detectors, and your fire extinguishers. Not only does this protect your family, but it sends a signal to future buyers that your home is not only safe, but it's move-in ready. Drafty doors and windows increases energy bills and makes your home less comfortable. Sealing them up can save you money and boosts energy efficiency. 2 things that buyers will really appreciate. Over time, sediment builds up in your hot water heater, reducing efficiency and lifespan. Flushing it annually saves energy costs and assures buyers that your plumbing system is in top shape. By taking care of these 5 maintenance tasks, you're not just protecting your home, you're protecting your investment. And when it's time to sell, buyers will recognize the value that you've brought to your home, and it'll also make sure that you close the deal quicker and for top dollar. Want more tips to make sure that your home is in top shape? Let's chat. Together, we'll make sure that your home is always ready, whether for living or for selling.